Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to discuss about the new WhatsApp update that called WhatsApp Community Future. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So the new update of community tab, you just click on here. So here you can start a community. You can join if what 5 to 10 20 groups if you are admin for the good group. I just name the community and I had a description about the community. So this will be shown on every group that you add here. So I just going to add. So these are the two groups that I am you can create a new group or you can add the existing group. So I am admin of the two groups I just created to show in this video. So okay, you can add up to 20 groups, 21 groups. So I added two groups. So if you are texting any messages, the message will be received for the every group members. You can click here, you can add, you can deactivate, you can manage the groups, you can edit the community name, and you can view the members. And these are only two members. My two WhatsApp numbers has been added here. So you can edit or you can deactivate here. So if you are going and making a message in this particular community, the message will be received for the all group members. If I added a 10 groups and each group has a 10 members, then 100 members will receive this. So you can see I just text as hi. So this will be received on both the groups, so as a community. So you can see the first thing is community. So it will shows like this community. So try this option. If you want to text more members and you just want to forward a message for more groups, you can deactivate the group or community here. So I just showing in another mobile phone how it's received. So this is the community has been received by another mobile phone. You can see the group members and what are the groups added in this community. So try this on your WhatsApp. It's a new feature, and comment below. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends. If you want more content about the WhatsApp, subscribe this channel for more content. Like, share, comment, and we will meet our next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.